The NxGen Blaze is designed to take formulations developed on the Ignite and rapidly scale them up for late preclinical development. This supports larger scale in vivo tox studies in multiple species and process development to scale upstream and downstream operations to rapidly transition to the clinic. Blaze is enabled with our NxGen technology. We've made NxGen available across the NanoAssemblr platform to allow you to scale your formulations across any stage of drug development. An intuitive software interface allows you to easily dial in parameters like total flow rate and flow rate ratio. The Blaze offers the choice of 2 NxGen mixers and operates up to 90 mL per minute pre-dilution. You can easily scale your bench formulations up to 1 liter or combine 2 unit operations in one using inline dilution to make up to 5 liters of bulk nanoparticles. Such a formulation requires just over 10 minutes of formulation time, and using typical formulation parameters is enough to encapsulate 260 milligrams of mRNA. You can choose between NxGen 400 or NxGen 500 mixers, the latter being identical to what's used in the GMP system, so you're able to develop your scale-up process with the same mixer you'll eventually use for clinical manufacturing. Here we are making 40 mL of undiluted formulation using NxGen 400 at 60 mL per minute. The run takes about 40 seconds and formulates 10.5 milligrams of mRNA in lipid nanoparticles. Following this, a dilution step is generally employed to prepare the sample for downstream processing. Together, NxGen and Blaze greatly simplify scale-up of the unit operations for both particle production and inline dilution. So you can focus on scaling upstream and downstream processes and building that data package to support regulatory applications. Ultimately, the Blaze helps to minimize risk, timelines, and cost of late preclinical and scale-up development.